most awaited toy train day.
This is Darjeeling. Where are you, Chinky? Darjeeling. Hello. Ah, hello. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಟ್ರೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ ಹೋಗು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇದ್ದು ನೋಡಿ.
This video is about toy train day at Darjeeling.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್?
Thomas idna. Thomas.
Is it Thomas or Chinky?
Most of the kids love trains like crazy, and especially Thomas. Kids enjoy watching and understanding how vehicle runs and how engine works and all those things. So he was excited to see those engines and how they put coal inside and how they connect, and all those things were making him so interesting. So he explored a lot through this journey, and he knew most of the things, and he could relate to that when he was going through this journey. To be frank, we were about to drop this idea because Achintya was not feeling very well in the morning because of the food, different type of foods, and also he was feeling little upset. We had taken the medicine, so we provided him, and the time we took our guts and we visited toy train, and he was completely fine. He was enjoying happily, and he was so active, and he was watching outside, and he was watching over the tracks, and he was exploring so many things, and those signboards, so he was crazily telling me those things, like I saw this signboard, that signboard, and I saw the tracks, all those things. He was so excited to see. Thank God we didn't drop this idea.
ಎಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ಮಾಮ? ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ತೆಗಿತಿದ್ರು ಕಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ. ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತದ. You saw?
This journey is about 20 minutes or 30 minutes because they stop by two stops. Actually, two stops are there in between, and we can take photos and all those things. And in the next stop, old railway station it is, I guess. So there some museum is there, and we can spend time there for a while. 20 minutes time is there for looking over the old things and all. So there also we watched train only. Sometimes I get surprised by his activities. Like he started playing engine thing, and he became like engine mama, he was telling, and he was playing randomly, and I was so surprised. He's telling to put the coal, and I will start the engine, let's go, let's move, and all with those museum wala train actually. So it's so nice feeling.
Okay, I'm putting water here. Okay. What else? Okay, coal I have to put. There is an engine. Okay. Okay. So train start. Chaka chaka chaka. Choo choo train. Chaga chaga chaga.
There were two trains to ride. One is engine one, coal one, and another one is diesel. Thank God we got the engine one because Achi loves engine trains more than this normal train. Like, so he loved it how that smoke comes and all. He watched it and he was just missing that face, Thomas ka face in this. This tourist train covers only local area, and another one train is there for Siliguri that takes through tea station and all. So those nature view is very good actually, but that is like more than half a day, those drivers said. So if you have time, then you can spend time in that to enjoy the nature, tea gardens and all you can watch in that. West Bengal had lockdown though that time, and other than toy train, everything was closed. We couldn't see any places like tea garden or anything else. Everything was closed. So we have to visit once again. So once it is opened, maybe next year. And best time to visit those places are like October, November, and more rush will be not there, and you can enjoy the nature also so nicely. You will have more time, so you can spend your precious time there and explore so many things. Only thing I was worried about was how local people are living with this sound. Train goes and comes so many times through the city, and those sounds were, I saw people holding their ears and also, oh why? It's so tough. Anyway, overall it was a nice and safe journey we had gone through, and thankfully we were all healthy. Watching this video and being with us in this journey, and it was so exciting and a nice moment we enjoyed, and we are gonna cherish these moments for long. And I hope Achi remembers everything. If he is not remembering, then I will make him remember.